Hi guys, in this video we are going to solve some MCQs from the 2017 MSc Agricultural Biotechnology JNU CEB question paper. Number 86. So identify the event that exclusively occurs in meiotic cell division. Option A, chromatid formation, spindle formation, synapses and chromosome movement to pole. Chromatid formation happens both in mitosis and meiosis. Spindle formation also happens both in mitosis and meiosis. Synapses is an event which happens in meiotic phase 1, like prophase 1. So this doesn't take place in mitosis and therefore it exclusively occurs in meiotic cell division. The answer will be C. Chromosome movement to pole also takes place in mitosis and meiosis. So, question number 87. Khaira disease of rice, which is caused due to the deficiency of what? Iron, manganese, zinc, or copper. It will be zinc. And question number 88. An example of CAM plant, that is Castration acid metabolism plant, is apple, pineapple, custard apple, or cashew. It will be pineapple. Question number 89. The growth regulator, which is involved in seed germination. Now, auxin for root growth, gibberellin, which is for seed germination and flowering and all, ethylene, another fruit ripening, and cytokinin for shoot growth. It will be gibberellic acid because it helps in synthesis of alpha amylase, which is required for the seed nutrition, which helps the seed to grow. So the answer will be B. Question number 90. The specific role of boron in plants is A. Synthesis of auxin, B. Transport of proteins, activation of enzymes, now transportation of sugar. Now since boron has many roles in plants, but the specific role would be in carbohydrate metabolism. So here it directly, specifically it helps in the it's responsible for the transportation of sugar. So the answer will be 90D. Question number 91. Compound present in vascular and non-vascular plants. Vascular and non-vascular plants, which is responsible for the elongation of stem cells. Okay, so options are given: polyamine, brasinolide, salicylic acid, or jasmonic acid. Now, polyamine, salicylic acid, and jasmonic acid, they all are responsible for biotic and abiotic stress. Only brasinolide is actually brasinolide, auxin, and some other hormone is responsible for the elongation of stem cell. So the answer will be 91B. Number 92. Which one of the following is a non-climateric fruit? So that means it is not dependent upon the climate or the season it is. So options are banana, jackfruit, mango, and citrus. Banana is found in each and every season, so it is not a climateric fruit, so answer will be A. Whereas jackfruit, mango, and citrus, these are all like winter, summer, and other seasons fruits. So yeah. Question number 93. Which one of the following cell organelles has a single layer membrane? Okay, now we know membranes can be single walled or single layered or double layered. So options are vacuole, mitochondria, chloroplast, and nucleus. And so here is the plant cell structure to show that plant cell and animal cell. Mitochondria is a double membrane structure. So here is one envelope. This is the second membrane. For chloroplast, which is found in the plant cell, is also 1 and 2 membranes. And then for nucleus, So this is the first membrane and this is the second membrane. So here also two membranes, and for vacuole, which is found only in the plant cell, here is of single membrane. So the answer will be vacuole. Which one of the following soil types is suitable for cotton crop? Options: red soil, black soil, sandy soil, and saline soil. Now, black soil is also known as the cotton soil. So, our answer will be B. Okay. So, question number 95: raising the same crop in the same crop and the same field in all the seasons is called what? Options: mixed cropping, monocropping, relay cropping, and ratoon cropping. So we can see here the same word is repeated twice and all the seasons, so it means the same throughout the year. That means it can't be mixed, because in mixed cropping, of course, there will be more than two crops, so it can't be mixed. Monocropping, mono means same, so monocropping is that type of cropping where only one type of crop is grown in the same field for all the seasons. So answer will be monocropping. But what is relay cropping and ratoon cropping? Relay cropping is a type of double cropping. Okay, but it is the second crop is put onto the first crop before the harvest. And ratoon cropping is another word for stubble cropping. And what is stubble? It is the underground portion which is left after the part of the plant which is above the land is cut off. So the next season the underground part grows again. So the answer will be monocropping for this. Question number 96. The biofertilizer recommended for pulse crops is. So here is a biofertilizer classification. But the types of biofertilizer can be nitrogen fixes 1, azolla, phosphate soluble microbes, vesicular arbuscular mycorrhizas, and plant growth promoting rhizobacteria (PGPR), sulfur solubilizing microbes. Nitrogen fixes can be also of the two types. It can be a bacteria or a blue-green algae. So it is bacteria. Under bacteria, it is Rhizobium, Azotobacter, Mycobacterium, Azospirillum, and Bacillus. Under blue-green algae, it will be Anabaena nostoc, Tolipothrix, Anabaenopsis. So these are the nitrogen fixes. A. Azospirillum, Phosphobacteria, C. Azolla, D. Rhizobium. It is Rhizobium which is required for the pulse crops. Next is question number 97. Direct or indirect harmful effect that one plant has on another through the production of a chemical substance is called toxicity, not excretion, which cannot have a harmful effect on another, which is natural. Allelopathy and interference is wrong. So answer is B. Question number 98. The herbicide which is also used as a growth regulator will be the 2,4-D. Okay. Now 99. Chemical used for seed hardening in sorghum is zinc sulfate, potassium chloride, potassium hydrogen phosphate, and iron sulfate. It will be potassium hydrogen diphosphate. So next is whitefly, belongs to the order Heteroptera, Homoptera, Diptera, and Lepidoptera. Basically, whitefly belongs to Hemiptera, but the Homoptera is actually the suborder of Hemiptera. Therefore, the answer will be B. Question number 101. Banana punchy top disease is caused by a virus, fungus, bacteria, or mycoplasma. It will be a virus because it is caused by the banana bunchy top virus. So answer is A. Imidacloprid is an or a ivermectin, neonicotinoid compound, organophosphate compound, organochlorine compound. The answer will be neonicotinoid compound, which is a compound or chemical which act on the CNS, which is the central nervous system of the insects. Yeah. Next is question number 103. Trichogramma is a parasitoid on. It will be X. Question number 104. The disease which interferes with the conduction of water in plants is. The types disease names are wilt disease, rot disease, leaf spot disease, and damping off. So among them, all the diseases, the wilt is the type of disease where a pathogenic bacteria or a virus comes and they proliferate in the xylem vessels where water conduction takes place. So they block the water passage, and that's why they interfere with the conduction of water. So the answer will be A. 105. Blast disease of rice. It is caused by, among the four options, Magnaporthicracy, Drexleria oryzae, Aphelis oryzae, and Rhizoctonia solani. The answer is Magnaporthicracy. Now, question number 106. The famous Irish phenomenon of 1842 was caused due to the outbreak of what? Helminthosporium of rice? No. Stem rust of wheat, late blight of potato, or downy mildew of grapes? So the late blight of potato is the disease, also known as the Irish phenomenon. So the answer will be C. Question number 107. The common viral disease which is affecting the sheep is A. blue tongue, B. enterotoxemia, C. Pasteurella, and D. enteritis. So, but it won't be enteritis because it is a disease in the human intestine. Then it won't be Pasteurella because it's a bacterial disease. Pasteurella, and enterotoxemia is a bacterial disease which is in sheep and goats. Okay, but blue tongue is a viral disease which is very common in the sheep. So the answer is A. 108. In Pisum, the pea plant, type of germination is, it will be hypogeal germination. 109. The GA3, which is the most common gibberellic acid, is sprayed in a hybrid rice to enhance what? Panicle exertion, the seed set, the fertility, or the flowering. For GA3, it will always be the seed, it will be in the seed germination or in flowering. It is used. So it will be the seed set. Question number 110. The National Repository for Plant Genes is A. National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources goes with it. PPV and FRA, which is Plant Protection of Plant Varieties, and Farmers' Rights Act, which is an act, so it can't be a plant genes one. Next is Organizational for Economic and Development and Indian Institute of Science and Sports Technology, so it won't be that. It will be this one, National Bureau for Plant Genetic Resources, Plant Genes. Next is UPOB, which was established in the year 1961 with its headquarters at what? UPOB stands for Union for Plant Protection of Plant Varieties. So the answer is Geneva. Question number 112. A micronutrient which is predominant in alkaline pH is zinc, iron, manganese, and molybdenum. Though all are micronutrients, but molybdenum is exceptionally abundant in the alkaline pH. So the answer is D. Number 113. chemical ameliorator to reclaim the alkali sodic soils is options gypsum, dolomite and lime zeolite. The answer is A, gypsum. Yeah. Cat clay, with question number 114 is cat clay is present in dash types of soil: acid, acid sulfate, sodic, saline sodic. The answer is acid sulfate. 114b. Soil that is developed as a result of the consolidation of molten magma. Options: igneous rock, metamorphic rock, sedimentary rock or primary rock. Uh, it is the igneous rock because it is formed by the cooling and solidification of molten magma, whereas this sedimentary rock and metamorphic rocks are like which happens with time, changing with time, is metamorphic rock. So answer is A. So guys, to support us, you please comment your views and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.